ready to create your first print? It'll only take a few minutes. Let's get started with a simple and super quick catalog design. If you're not already familiar, the Glowforge catalog is an ever-expanding collection of designs that you can download and print. Perfect for getting started or when you don't have time to design from scratch. They're a cinch to print, and you can even sell what you make. Let's start by turning on your Glowforge and making sure the end of your exhaust hose is venting outside. If you're using an air filter, it's a good time to turn it on now too. Now, open your dashboard. It's right here on app.glowforge.com. And let's start with the gift of good measure keychain. It's handsome and handy, and you can make it in inches or metric. Point to the version you want and click open. Choose a piece of material from your Proofgrid starter pack and place it in the printer bed with the QR code facing up. Every time you close the lid, your Glowforge takes a photo of what's inside and scans for a QR code. Check the app screen and you should see your material appear after a few seconds. The material menu in the left corner will also show the material name. If you're using a large piece of Proofgrid material, you won't see the entire piece, and that's okay, as long as you can see the design. If your material isn't recognized or it's missing the QR code, don't worry. Just click Unknown in the top left and type the material name to search for it. Next comes some Glowforge Magic. Select the design by clicking it, and you'll see a box appear that surrounds the work. Hover over the middle and hold down your mouse button, and you can drag that design to a different place on the screen. This is where it will print, and we call this Live Preview. It makes it super easy to place your designs on your material. If you'd like to make your design bigger or smaller at the same time, click on one of those white circles on the bounding box and drag it in or out. You can also rotate the design by clicking on the larger white circle above the box around your work. The shortcuts you're used to in word processing software work here too. If you want to make copies of your design, just select it and use your keyboard to copy and paste. Likewise, if you make a mistake, use your keyboard to undo or click the arrow in the toolbar. Feel free to explore the app, poke around, click away, and don't worry about messing anything up. You can always undo changes you make or reset the design to its original state. We'll cover the rest of the Glowforge Print app in another video, so don't worry if you're not sure what everything does just yet. If you're using an air filter, let's set that up before you print. Click the three dots in the menu bar and turn on the Air Filter Connected option. The app will remember this setting for your next print, so you don't need to do it again. And turn the dial on the front of the air filter until the fans just begin to spin. When you're happy with the size and placement of the design, click Print in the upper right-hand corner. The printer head will scan your material to precisely focus the laser, the app will display how long your print will take, and the button on your Glowforge will start blinking white. It's time to press that button. If you need to walk away at any point during the printing process, press the button to pause your print. Then, to start where you left off, just press it again. If you want to cancel, just open the lid. And always remember, don't leave your Glowforge unattended while it's printing. Now, once the print's done, the printer head's going to return to the top left corner, and the button on the Glowforge will stay lit while the fans continue to whisk away the last wisps of smoke. When it stops glowing, you can open the Glowforge and pick up your finished print. If you have a Glowforge air filter attached, we recommend leaving it running for 1 minute for each minute that you print. It helps to prolong the life of the cartridge. Don't worry if the print looks a little smudgy around the edges right now. Proofgrid materials have a coating that protects the surface from smoke and char. Just peel it away and you can reveal your pristine miniature measuring tool. Here's your first Glowforge pro tip. Use Gorilla Tape instead of your fingernails to remove all the masking at once. For more great tips, follow the Your First Print topics at support.glowforge.com.